That's really good.
Yeah.
We got a smaller cat in there. I never seen that one before.
Where? Oh, that one?
Yeah.
No, I ain't seen that one either. Whoa.
Ivory. Hey, can you run back in your car? Man, I'll tell you what. I hope you guys can hear me.
I mean, I don't know if we started yet or that. I mean, we want to play fair here, you know. Here we go. Challenging the fishinaries.
Walrus.
The chosen one. The Great Dame.
Hey, I'll take that.
And first on the board with a fall fish. Doing a little small body creek fishing. He challenged me this time. Man, they're pretty strong, bro. Ah.
I think I'm okay.
All right. Oh. He's a slippery little dude. And slimy too. There we go. Here's a nice little shot at him. Fall fish on a Charlie Brewer crappie slider. June bug with chartreuse tail with the crappie magnet head. Yep, one of the best setups for this. Let's get it. What is that?
What's it called? Fall fish. No, that's creek. No,
That's fall fish. Damon got a fall fish. That's one species for both of us.
Do I have come on my...
Wow. Man, that was a pretty good sized bait though. Is that with the dragon tail?
Yep. I hit it. He hit it on the way down. Nice little jump.
There you go. Yeah. That's nice one too. Here we go.
Bottom lip.
On the bottom lip. Nice little bass. Gotta catch up. You got the home field advantage.
Got a little chunk.
Yeah, you do. Little healthy little dude. Yeah. Look at the colors though. Check this out.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Walrus back at it again.
Walrus back at it again. The great.
Yep.
Another.
Yeah, this is a good spot for. Oh wait.
What?
No, this isn't longer.
Longer?
Oh,
man, there's colors on them though. Yep. Oh, look at the colors on them, man.
Chunk.
Insanity.
Oh, look at the tail. They're spawning.
Are they?
Right here.
Nah, that's just
that red.
That's just the color of it.
Crazy.
Damn. Now I need a bass or a different species. 3 on 3. Got a bluegill.
I thought I'd get the bluegill, so.
That's three species each. Here.
These along here are stacked.
Oh!
Did you have something?
Yeah.
God.
I had to do a matrix.
Dab to save your life.
Damn, I had to do it again. Yeah. Hold on, y'all. Just a little malfunctioning.
Oh, these are nice some red colors.
Oh yeah, I see that one.
Orange.
Comes up on the camera real nice. Yeah, little fluorescent blue. Shit. Another fall fish. For bait. Nah, I'm throwing it back. On today's failure,
Oh my God.
Damien just had a nice pickerel. Nice pickerel. This is the second time you lost one. This is back-to-back trips, isn't it?
Oh man, within 3 days.
Oh man, that's salty.
Hey, you can't have a good fishing place without failing once.
There you go.
Twice. Maybe 3 times.
The 4th time's the charm.
That's why what was going at it first time, man. Get your butt in the water.
You gonna throw me back anyways. He's a big one though.
Yeah. That's like the size of the first one I caught when I first got here.
Yeesh.
Dang. Man, that's big.
PB fall fish. Look at the mouth on these things.
Massive. Hello, Avery. Hello. Over here, still some tie up. This guy over here cheap.
That's musky bait. Oh, now you want to fight.
Back in the game, baby. Back in the game. Let's get it.
Another long gear.
Oh, it was bugging me.
Son, you break off again.
I might have.
Disqualified. Nah. Balancing myself on the tree. Going for the win. I ain't showing it. Ooh. I want to make a longer cast though, but I'm scared I'm gonna get snagged. Scared money ain't good money though. Ah, let's go. Got it there. All right, tried it. That's all I can do. No. Yes.
You're getting lucky, man. Too lucky.
All right. Good fight. Another fall fish. Stop it. Stop it. That's pretty strong for the size.
Huh?
It's pretty strong for the size. Oh, you shit it on you.
Just wash these pants too. You know what?
All right, here we go. First of 3. You ready to do this? I'll take that as a yes. Damn. That's
I'm scared of carp. Little bastard.
Snagging does not count. Let's get it.
Right around big guy. Oh, that's bad.
There we go.
Let him run. 4-pound line, so I can't
Oh, yeah.
force him in.
Ain't no horse in that one. How big does he look?
Not that big. Baby.
Oh, baby.
Baby common.
Oh, it's a no. Damn. Can't get him to turn around.
Funny. Now imagine if I kept that 4-pound line I had on there before. Snap. Alright, can I pull you in, please? Catch and release?
Yep.
Yep, sir. Oh.
Ooh. Nice little boil.
This will be what? Carp number 15 on this ride?
It'll be cart number 2 for me.
Seriously?
Well, riding real and not snagging them.
My biggest carp is 34.
28.
34.
Oh, you better watch that rock.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, he's a decent size one.
Trying to get him in here because I got to figure out how we're going to get him up here.
Use the bank. Or you get him up there, I probably got to live him.
Oh. Oh, wait, there's like 3 of them over there.
Where? They hang around with him?
Yes. Look, there's one right there.
Careful, puppy.
Come here, come here, come here.
Where's he going? I can't even find him. Oh, he's under that rock?
Did he get under it?
Somewhere. Where's he at?
Let him, there you go. He came out.
Okay, he's stuck under something. Yeah, I'm stuck under something. There he is. Yeah, I can hear something. I'm stuck under something. I'm gonna freak from that.
Damn, he's still fighting you, man.
Careful, puppy.
You gonna wear him
By
out?
the body.
Hey. Move.
I'm by the body.
Come here. Come over there.
Oh shit, they got a turtle. He's like, you got dinner on the line. Oh buddy, he coming for it.
Back that booty up, boy.
All of them coming.
Alright, hold on. Risky maneuvers. Oh, he
You dodged him?
Yep, dodge the first one.
Man, I don't know about getting my hand in. Just looking at me.
Alright, grab the body.
Damn it.
It's time to let it
Stab it. Stab it.
Heck yeah.
Oh, sorry, man.
Yeah, puppy? Yeah, fish?
Heck yeah.
Get in the My bad, I didn't mean.
Yeah, that's good, man. That's my picture me too.
So I send a picture to Dad.
Yeah.
I can.
Bam.
I can.
If I get a big one, I win, right?
I guess so.
If I can avoid these turtles.
Good luck with that.
Yeah.
Especially with that worm. I didn't expect them to go for the worm because they're a vegetarian.
They ain't no vegetarian.
Yes, they are.
They eat insects.
Which one you feed? You feed that one or the bigger one?
Let's see if he chase.
Heck yeah, he's gonna chase it.
Damn, where's the bigger ones at? I'm gonna start baiting them in.
It's one of the big ones. Oh yeah, they're doing swimming.
They got that coming for him.
I'm surprised he hasn't even got a clue yet.
There's other bluegills hanging around that bluegill like, damn. He about to get fun. This you got a worm one?
No.
Go see.
Oh, the bluegill will try to eat him?
Ooh. Where's the bigger one at?
I don't know.
Might just catch. Come on, y'all. Oh, oh no, that's two turtles. I was about to say.
There he is. Oh, wait,
Big ass bass is coming out of nowhere. Just snatched this jerk.
like, well, new species in the haberdashery.
Oh.
Let me see if it said we got red house. You see?
Damn, that's him, right? The big one, right? There's one right here too, the smaller one.
We ain't got no more corn. You know, we have dry feed corn.
Dry feed corn? Oh no, you probably can't use that. Yo, he was about to.
He wants it.
You got to jump out of that jerk. Look at him.
I'll catch another carp, don't be worried. Oh, is that him right there?
Nah, that ain't him. Oh my God! I want to see what's one. Oh, that's a big one.
Where?
Well, not bigger than the other one, but noticeable.
Where is he? It was a big one. There's definitely more snapper turtles than I remember. You want to take a rest in the back?
Where is he?
Look at all these turtles.
Can he make it? Can he make it? Yeah.
Yeah, I think that might be the biggest one right now.
Yeah.
The other one might be sleeping.
See if I can throw him out. Ooh, fighting, fighting, fighting.
No, back up, Slim.
Shoot.
Really? Really? Hey, cool. I
There
got
you
something
go.
smaller for you. I
What?
hooked him in the gill. I hooked him in the gill.
Oh my God. What are you gonna do? You gonna try it?
Nah.
All right. Come on, big guy.
This is a bluegill too. So
Come on, big guy. Oh. Oh. Yo, he almost had him.
Oh yeah, I got an idea.
He almost had him, that
Small
one.
guy, right? Hey, come on.
What you gonna do? Oh no, what you? Oh, you gonna check him?
Is he dead?
Yeah, he's dead. He's done.
With him.
Right here. Wow.
Right by your face, stupid.
Nah, he want the big one. He's like, fuck that one. Sorry. I want to see him.
Bro, wait till you get, like at full swing, you'll hear a snap. You're like,
So, he is pissed. He's like, I'm gonna come up there in a minute. He gave it a damn fish. All right, come on.
there you go.
Now you better let it go. Watch.
he ain't gonna let that one go.
Yeah, he is. Oh, they about to fight for him.
As long as he feel pressure. Hissing him.
Damn, almost had him.
Squeezing the water out its nose.
Oh.
He's gone. He's gone.
Nah. I got him. He's about to spit it. Oh, you got him. He got him. Give him back. Oh, look at him, bro. Son, that is huge, bro. You said it's a big one?
There's a bigger one.
He's not even fighting.
You don't gotta fight. Pure weight.
There's no hook on here, by the way. It's just an inline bluegill. Bro. I ain't getting closer than this, though.
Huh?
I'm not getting any closer than this. Give him back. Strong line, though.
8 pounds. He's probably down his throat already.
Yeah. Surprised he ain't broke the line. Damn, that's a strong net.
That's that gill hook. Gill played all kinds of messed up now.
Yeah. It's like, thanks, bro. Yeah. Damn. Look at that joint. Shit.
That line.
Yeah, I know, right?
There's still a dead one down there, though.
Bro.
I mean, I can cut it with the snips.
I don't want to cut it. I want to see that turtle. He gonna break off one. Oh, there you go.
All right.
Did it break off at? Yep, broke off at the knot. He gone. Happily fed turtle.